Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be lifting up the rear. I'll have it in the title, so I don't know what it's called right now, but I'll find out. First thing you want to do is open your trunk. Once you open your trunk, you will find near the bottom these little plastic material, polyester. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know what kind of material it is. But anyway, you want to find that. And this is to mat, a rug. There's a rug on top of it. So you want to get to this. You want to pull up, get underneath there, and then lift up like so. And then as you can see, I have various oil products and air pressure, air tire, air uppers, and just bungee cords and just, all kind of tools. There's a battery, whatever. So and you close it just like so. So you just look down here, you pull up just like so. That's how you do that, folks. That is how you do it. It's so amazing. So amazing. And then you close your door. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. Thank you.